In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DaVinci Resolve for video editing. We'll walk through the full beginner-friendly workflow, from importing your media to exporting a polished final video. If you're new to DaVinci Resolve, don't worry. The process becomes much easier once you understand the order: import, organize, create a timeline, and then start editing. First, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. This gives you a clean workspace for the video you're about to build. Once your project is open, import your video clips, images, and audio files into the media pool. This is where all of your source material lives, so getting everything into one place right away helps you stay efficient. Next, organize your clips into folders, also called bins, so they're easy to find later. For example, you might separate interviews, B-roll, music, sound effects, and graphics. Even on smaller projects, a little organization can save a lot of time once your timeline starts getting more complex. After that, create a timeline and drag your clips into the edit workspace. This is where your story starts to come together. Begin arranging your clips in the order you want your audience to see them. Now move into the editing stage. Trim and split clips to remove unwanted sections and tighten up the pacing. Rearrange clips as needed so the video flows clearly and keeps the viewer engaged. You can also add transitions, titles, and visual effects to make your edit feel smoother and more professional. If your project needs background music or sound effects, this is the right time to place them into the timeline as well. A helpful shortcut here is Ctrl+B, which lets you cut clips faster and speed up your editing process. Once the structure of your video is in place, start enhancing both the visuals and the sound. Use the color page to adjust your footage and improve its overall look. Basic color correction should usually come before more creative effects, because it gives you a balanced foundation to work from. Then go to the Fairlight page to improve your audio. This is where you can clean up sound, balance music, and voice levels, and make sure everything is clear and comfortable to listen to. You can also add captions, animations, and motion effects to help your video feel more polished and accessible. When your editing is complete, go to the Deliver page to export your video. For most online platforms, MP4 with H.264 is a reliable choice. Select the resolution that fits your project, such as 1080p or 4K, then export your file and upload it to your preferred platform, whether that's YouTube, TikTok, or another social media channel. If you want help planning future edits, you can also use a prompt like "Create a step-by-step editing workflow in DaVinci Resolve" for a YouTube tutorial with transitions, captions, and background music.